hand because we're doing an unboxing. So last time I did an unboxing with y'all is when I did the Fenty perfume review and unboxing. So if you're interested in that, over to my channel, check it out. So I think I'm gonna start sharing like more like items that I'm like anticipating, not everything that I get, but definitely items that I'm a little bit more excited about. So today I'm gonna be unboxing some Desi sunglasses. If you're unfamiliar, Desi Perkins is a beauty influencer. She actually did quite a few collaborations with the brand Key, if you're familiar with the Key sunglasses. So I feel like this was a natural step for her. She probably just waited till that contract ran out, her not compete period was over, and she was like, boom, let's do it. And kudos to her, because honestly, I feel like sunglasses is a very good lane to get into because they can fit just about anybody. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Personally, I don't like to spend a lot of money on sunglasses. Not because I lose them, but I fear that the minute I do spend a decent amount of money on some sunglasses will be the day that I lose them. We open up the box. This is what it looks like. When she first launched this brand, she did a lot of mailers that had like this effect to it. So I like that she's kind of keeping that going throughout. This is a little card that came in here. So I bought this release. She did a limited edition release of some really cool colors. So this green colorway, which has been super popular in fashion right now if you haven't been paying attention, and then this orange colorway. I feel like you can easily transition these two colors into fall. I only got one pair of sunglasses. Comes with like this little sleeve. Took the sleeve off, and it comes with a box that you can keep. Just want to say, with these sunglasses, it came with the box and like the little pouch and everything. I did not keep them. I'm not one to keep like dust bags and things like that unless it's like something really nice, like nice shoes, nice bag. Other than that, I usually get rid of that stuff. So this is the box. Like, you can definitely keep this. It doesn't feel like it's like something that you like immediately want to throw away. It's not paper, it's like good quality. And you could definitely keep these, like store your glasses in when you're not using them. Open them, has like the Desi logo in here. And then here are the glasses, you guys. So she came out with the limited edition colors with like the green and the orange that I showed you. But she also came out with a new shape, which is called the Switch. So these are a little bit smaller. You can see my brows. They have a wider arm on them, and the arm is a little bit lower, like whereas on these, like the arm is like higher and skinnier. The arm is lower and wider. Like the glasses in general are just more slender. I feel like these are a more, I don't know why, but I feel like these are more like a fall winter type of sunglass. And I got black again because, like, if you guys do not know, you probably can tell by my Instagram feed, I am more of a neutral girl. Everything on my Instagram feed is like beige, tan, brown, black. Like, that's just like the colors I gravitate towards because I know I can wear it with anything. The one thing I really appreciate about the Desi sunglasses though, it has like small little markers like this right here, this up here, that kind of give it a designer look. But these, I want to say these were like $80. So you're getting a designer look. These definitely have the weight to it though. Did I miss someone makeup? Okay. They definitely have the weight to them though. Like, that's the one thing I really appreciate about these sunglasses. Like, they are weighty, heavy feeling sunglasses. They don't feel like they're just gonna break. I do wish it came in like another color. Like maybe like this color, because like this cream, I know for some people it's gonna get dirty, especially if you got like kids or something. You be carrying snacks and stuff in your bag, but whatever. We ain't there yet. So these are definitely heavier, and then they also have like a little Desi emblem on the lens. But these just look, now these I'm gonna have to protect. These have been getting like a little scratched up in my bag, but these I'm gonna have to protect it because like these low-key look like these could be like some really expensive designer glasses. This is my second pair of Desi sunglasses. I have my first pair here, and this is what they look like. These are just like your regular black sunglasses. I needed a black square pair of sunglasses, and I've had these like since April, and they're holding up pretty good. My favorite thing that you can always tell with like nicer sunglasses is like when they're a little bit heavier, and the arms are a little bit sturdier. They're not as like flimsy and like just like fall down, you know? What are these called? The fall back. I feel like these switch also came in the green and the orange as well. And the green and the orange are limited edition colorways. So if you are interested in those colorways, you might want to check her site like ASAP if they're not already gone. That was my unboxing. I hope you guys like that. This is a newer brand. I want to say this brand has been out like maybe not even a year, not sure. So I will link below both of the glasses that I have if you guys are interested in them. Again, if there is something that you would like for me to review that I have not reviewed yet, or something that you're interested in and you're wondering if I have tried it yet, let me know, because chances are, if it's not beauty related and it's something you're interested in, I might have tried it already. I just don't really share a lot of things outside of beauty here. So if that's something you guys are interested in, let me know and I might start sharing a little bit more. But that is it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Let me know. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.